Today's school finished early.
Yes, Leo. That is nice.
I am happy today
Why are you happy?
because I want to play outside.
You can play after homework.
Okay, Mom. Mom, look there.
What happened?
There is a small puppy
Where?
near the road. Mom, the puppy looks scared.
Yes, it looks very small.
It is alone.
Maybe it lost its home.
Mom, can we help the puppy?
Let us go closer, carefully.
Okay.
Walk slowly, Leo.
Hello, little puppy. Mom, it is coming near me.
It trusts you.
Mom, the puppy looks hungry.
Yes, I think so.
Can we give it some food?
We can take it home first.
Really?
Yes, but only for some time.
Thank you, Mom.
Be gentle with the puppy.
Come here, little puppy. Mom, I will carry the puppy.
Hold it carefully.
It is very light.
Yes, it is very small.
It feels cold.
Poor puppy.
Don't worry, puppy.
Let us go home quickly.
Leo, what is that?
Dad, I found a puppy
Where did you find it?
on the street.
It was alone.
Oh, that is sad.
Can we keep it?
Let us first help the puppy.
Leo, bring some milk.
Okay, Mom.
Bring a small bowl.
Here is the bowl.
Good job.
The puppy is drinking milk.
It was very hungry.
It looks happy now. Look, Max is here.
Max is curious.
Max is smelling the puppy.
They are friends.
That is good.
Max likes the puppy.
Yes, he does.
Leo, maybe this puppy has an owner.
Really?
Yes, someone may be looking for it.
What should we do?
We can ask the neighbors.
We can also check nearby houses.
Okay, Dad.
Hello, did you lose a puppy? No, not me.
Did you see this puppy before?
No, I did not.
Maybe it came from far away.
Maybe.
Let us check another house.
Mom, nobody knows this puppy.
Yes, it seems lost.
Maybe it has no home.
That is very sad.
Yes, it is sad.
Can we keep it now?
Let us think carefully.
Dad, I will take care of the puppy.
Taking care of a puppy is a big responsibility.
I will feed it.
Will you clean its place?
Yes, I will.
Will you play with it daily?
Yes!
Are you sure?
Yes, Dad!
Daniel, the puppy looks comfortable here.
Yes, it does.
Please, Dad.
Okay, Leo.
Really?
Yes, we can keep the puppy.
Thank you, Mom. Thank you, Dad.
What will we name the puppy?
Let me think.
Choose a nice name.
Its name is Buddy.
Buddy is a nice name.
Yes, it is perfect.
Welcome home, Buddy.
Leo, remember something.
What, Dad?
Animals need care and love.
They depend on us.
I understand.
You must be responsible.
I will be responsible.
Buddy looks very happy now.
Yes, he found a family.
And I found a new friend.
That is wonderful.
Our family is bigger now.
Welcome to our home, Buddy.
Max got a new friend.
Max looks very happy to have new friend.
Everyone is happy today.
Yes, it is a beautiful day.